good. I don't know why I said that, but I made this little homemade ball. Used Play-Doh, balled it up, and used tinfoil, and balled that up over it. And now this bitch is in here. And I'm going to be stabbing it with a knife. So, yeah. So my brother, he is getting the knife. So guys, I gotta use my brother's scissors. We can't use a knife. Okay.
Bessie says she's about done. We might not be able to end the war against the cops.
Yeah.
Listen to me.
Look at that. Yeah. And now there's all the Play-Doh, mashing it back up together. What I did was I got a ball of it, a little tiny ball, and then wrapped it up with some more Play-Doh, then got tinfoil, wrapped it up. Ball. Yeah.
Everybody unsubscribe there.
Alright, please like this video, leave a comment, subscribe for
Short
Jacob
videos.
Thompson. Showing off every day.
Are you just gonna drop her